Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. It is my absolute favorite barbecue sauce to put on a pulled pork sandwich, and I will be making a pulled pork sandwich in my next video, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that. But let's just jump right in. I love it because it's so mustardy, so we need a half of a cup of yellow mustard. This is a fourth a cup, so obviously I did 2 for a half a cup. 1/3 of a cup of honey. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire. I'm just gonna eyeball it. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. A couple dashes of hot sauce. I have Louisiana style. And last but not least, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just gonna put the lid on here. If you have never tried Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, oh my God, it's so good. If you like mustard, I'm sure you will love it. Okay. And I like to put them in these little mason jars because you can just shake it like this and mix it all up. Okay. Get a little taste. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my pulled pork, and I will see you next time. Bye.